Now students, see page number 9. I am reading this paragraph. This one. Rocks are very useful to us. Rocks are very useful and important for us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. The rocks are used for construction purpose. Our houses, buildings, roads, etc. So rocks are very useful. We use stones in many games. Now stones are used for playing games also. For example, 7 stones, pittu, hopscotch, stapu, kit, 5 stones, gitti. These are the games which are played by the children. So in these games, stones are used. Find out some much more such games. Find out some more such games by asking your grandparents, parents and neighbors, etc. Now here you can see the image, both the image. The Red Fort is made of the red sandstone and the Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Now students, listen here. I am reading this paragraph. You will be surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. So to know that one type of rock which is changed and turn into another type of rock under certain conditions. How? In a cyclic manner. Cyclic manner means we can say the rotation, by rotation. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. Rock cycle means what? One type of rock changes to another type of rock under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This is a process. Transformation, this is the process. Means from one rock to another rock, we can see the changes, transformation. So this process is called rock cycle. You have already learned when the molten magma cools. When the molten magma cools. Now in igneous rocks we have studied molten magma. When it cools down, it solidifies and to become igneous rocks, and molten magma cools down after solidifies. Now it is called the igneous rocks. Now these igneous rocks are broken down into small particles. Now after that, next condition. Now these igneous rocks, after the broken down into small sediments, small particles that are transported and deposited from sedimentary rocks. So next type. So igneous rocks, we can see the change, transformation by the process and turn into the sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and the sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. When both of them, igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks, because of the high pressure, because of the heat, pressure and the heat, now change into the another type of rock. So such type of rock is called the metamorphic rocks. Now students, here you can see the rock cycle. The metamorphic rocks which are still under great heat, now just listen carefully, it is called the rock cycle. Now after transformation into the metamorphic rock, now these metamorphic rocks again change. How? Under the great heat and pressure. melt down, metamorphic rock melt down to form molten magma, now turn into the liquid, hot liquid. It's called the molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rocks. Now again turn into the igneous rocks. So here students, you can see by this picture, you can see the rock cycle. Now igneous rock, magma, first magma, now igneous rocks, after that the sediments, now sedimentary rock, now metamorphic rock, now metamorphic rock, after that melting down, now turn into the magma, now again magma, solidified, now igneous rocks. Like this we can see the rock cycle. Now see the page number 10, this one. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Rocks are made by the different minerals. Minerals are there. Minerals are naturally occurring substances. Minerals are naturally occurred, naturally available. Where? In nature. Now, occurring substances which have certain physical properties. So minerals having the physical properties as well as the definite chemical composition. It's having the, we can say, the physical properties as well as the chemical composition also in minerals. Minerals are very important to humankind. The minerals are important for us. Rocks are also important and minerals are also important. Some are used as a fuels. Now some minerals are used for we use as a fuels for our purpose. For example, coal, natural gas and petroleum. Now these minerals are used as we use as a fuels. They are also used in industries. Some minerals are used in industries also: iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. In medicine, in fertilizers, etc. So these are the importance of minerals as well as the rocks. So here we have completed our second chapter, Inside Our Earth. Now students, complete your homework properly. Thank you very much.